Here's how to permanently delete your Twitter or X account. If you're using your app, go ahead and launch the Twitter or X application on your device, log into your account, and if you're using the website, go to x.com, log into your specific account, and select the More icon from the left hand side of the screen. Now select Settings and Privacy. Go to your account section, which is in the top. And from here, you need to go ahead and select deactivate your account. That is indicating find out how you can deactivate your account. Remember that you can restore your Twitter or X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. But after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And before 30 days, if you log in with your specific username and password, you'll be able to regain access to your account. So go ahead and select deactivate, or you can also go ahead and download your Twitter data before you permanently choose to delete it. Select deactivate, enter your password, and then select deactivate again, which is highlighted in red color, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.